In today's video, we are gonna make a bee out of balloons in just 5 steps. Step 1. First of all, we have to make a hive for our bee. Get 3 long balloons, inflate them and then connect them like the tutorial. Step 2. Take 2 round balloons, one of yellow and other of black color. Inflate them the same size to each other and then tie them together to make the body of the bee. Now take a long yellow balloon and inflate it. Now, wrap it on the bee's body like you are seeing in the video. Step 3. Now we will use a long white balloon to make wings of the bee. Just follow the tutorial. Now cut the extra part of the balloon and knot it. Now attach the wings to the body and secure them. Step 4. Now take a long black balloon and partially inflate and then knot it. Now divide the inflated portion in 2 parts by twisting it from the center. We will use them as antennas of our bee. Step 5. Now take another long balloon and use it as legs. Congratulations, you have made your first bee from balloons. If you enjoy the video, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave comments about new DIY ideas you have in mind that we can try.